Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Nissan Rogue maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, OK for enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice. And if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Now go ahead and actually, sorry, it's not on yet. One more. There it is. As you can see, maintenance required. Now go ahead and press left or right. I'm doing right. Click right all the way down until you find setting here. And then when you get here, go ahead and scroll down to vehicles, maintenance. Enter on maintenance. As you can see, oil and filter, go ahead and enter on that. Scroll down to reset, enter on reset. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes for reset. And there you have it, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.